how to use 11 Labs for voiceovers. It's quite easy to do this. Just head over to text to speech. So click on text to speech from the home section. Make sure your account has been signed in. So click on text to speech. Once you have, go ahead and enter the script you'd like to voice over or a body of text you'd like to voice over. Now you could just simply, enter a piece of text here. Select a voice using the select voice option. You could search for a voice and use it. You could click on the play to play a preview of the voice so you know what you're expecting. Once you have done that, you could use this sliders here to simply change the speed of the narration, the stability, the similarity, and style exaggeration. And then you could also click on generate speech to actually generate the audio clip of it. Now, if you want to try another option, you could go with dubbing by just clicking on dub here and then heading over to create a dub and then go ahead and enter the language. So let's say you're voicing over in English. I'll set our preferred language to English as well. And then you can also upload either an audio file or a video file, and then it would create a dub for it. It will just voice it over. And all you need to do is just go ahead and click on create dub here and then simply upload the info and it should be done. All right.